Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is WhatsApp marketing software W Sender. So I'm open the software and how can I do this software license? I will live share to you. Okay. So first of all, when you install the software, you will see the code. Then I will copy the code. Through the copy code, I will do generate license. Suppose I want to do 7 days. Then I will write 7 days and generate fee. Okay, just wait. Okay, when you see the generate key, you'll copy the code and paste here. Okay, and paste here, then active now. You will see this is software is activated. So you are in this software through reselling or personal use. You can use this. Here this license expired and here this time. Okay, so now how can you this software? Already I am published my YouTube channel. So now I am live share. How can I use this software? Just I put number and message. Just wait. Suppose country code and just wait. Okay, hi. Okay, and already account before I was at the account and start campaign and personal primary and start now. Okay, click to initiate. Okay, just to wait. Scanning the number and just wait. Already done. Set up my PC and initiate and start. Just wait and you will see. Okay, my message is successful sent and you can see from here I was right. Hi. Okay, so thank you. How can you license? I will live share to you. This is the main file and here the QSAN file, and if you want to rebranding and here the code. Okay, so how can you license? I will already share to you. Thank you.